Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 15th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles, so it's a lot of puzzles for a day. This one will be number 9437. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. That's a lot. 28. Should be 25. A 3 stars puzzle has always 25 printed digits. This one has 28. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. That's my time limit. Question is it a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, on the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. How about 111, 111. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. I need a 2 and a 4 here. Need a 9 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. Then 3, 3, 3, 3. 9, 9. Thinking. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay, cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. Then need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. Yeah. Need a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. 6. Need a 6 there. 6, 6, okay. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. I need a 9 here, okay. Need a 9 here. Then need a 7 here. Need a 3 here. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 in this big square should be here. Then need 3 there, okay. How about the number 7? Need a 7 there. 8, 9. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Need a 2 there. I need a 6 here. Come on. Need 3 here. Well, in this last column, those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2 is missing. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have 2 and 3 in this row. No 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 5. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. So we have 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. Then 2, wait. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Then 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. Then 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Yeah. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. And so the 6 in the third column could be here or there. Here or there we see another 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, last row, 6 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, second column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 6. Alright. Then. Yeah. 7 and a 5. I'm thinking. 5 and the 2. I need a 2 here. I need a 2. 2, 5 and the 4. Yeah. 3, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place level 3 should be there. 3, 5, and 7. Well, 3, 3. 3, 5, and 7. 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so it will come next. The only place level 2 should be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can't see. This is number 5 and number 2. Then 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 box in the last column for number, I believe the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 7 and the 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 3 and a 5. How about here? 3 and the 7. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 now in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now. Last 2 numbers for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. We solve it again. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm not faster than 14, 30 minutes. Let me give this a 3 stars. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So it's not a 3, not a 2 stars puzzle. Oh, forget these 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 7 is missing. 5 and 7. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 5 goes there. Well, All right, overlooked, but we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.